In a world where financial freedom and wealth creation are highly sought after, becoming a millionaire is a dream shared by many. While it may seem like an unattainable goal, the truth is that with the right mindset, strategies, and actions, you can make significant progress toward achieving financial abundance. In this video, we will unveil 15 secret steps and ideas that can pave the way for your journey to becoming a millionaire in 2023. These tried and tested techniques have been proven effective by successful individuals who have built their fortunes from scratch. Hi everyone! Welcome to OFW Wealth TV. Our channel is dedicated to financial literacy and general finance, and we hope you enjoy our videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we drop our next video. Today, we will be diving into the exciting topic of 15 secret steps and ideas to become a millionaire in 2023. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Develop the right mindset. One of the first secrets to becoming a millionaire is to cultivate a mindset that is focused on success and wealth creation. Believe that you have the ability to achieve financial abundance and be open to learning new strategies. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. The money game is a long slog. Cash doesn't grow on trees. Before you embark on your millionaire challenge, it's vital that you have a clear life plan. If you're serious about this, then you need to know how to achieve it, not just dream it. You need to work out a feasible and realistic route to making your millions. When doing so, draw on your skills, experience, and ambitions. When it comes to setting income goals, think about when you'd like to retire. Most retirees are pensioners because they're living off of their pension, which at least covers living costs. But you want to live like a millionaire, right? To get to this level of income without working requires a fairly sizable pension, plus a good number of other streams of passive income being earned every month on your capital assets. If you want to really live it up post-work, set an income goal before you retire that doesn't require you to work anymore. Step 3. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The power of association cannot be underestimated on the path to millionaire status. Surrounding yourself with individuals who share your drive and ambition can be a game changer. Connect with like-minded individuals who are striving for similar goals and aspirations. By doing so, you create a supportive environment where you can exchange ideas, receive inspiration, and gain valuable insights. Building relationships with those who are already successful can provide guidance and open doors to opportunities that can accelerate your journey toward wealth. Remember, your network can greatly influence your trajectory, so choose your connections wisely. Step 4. Start a side business. Building multiple streams of income is a key aspect of wealth creation. Consider starting a side business or monetizing a hobby to generate additional income outside of your regular job. It's important to have a well-researched idea and a solid business plan before you start, as well as a clear picture of how you'll support yourself when there's no money coming in. Step 5. Invest in real estate. Real estate can be a lucrative investment avenue. Educate yourself about the real estate market, explore different investment options, and consider purchasing properties that can generate rental income or appreciate in value over time. Step 6. Invest in stocks and bonds. Investing in the stock market and bonds can offer substantial returns over the long term. Educate yourself about investing, diversify your portfolio, and seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. Step 7. Spend wisely and save. Being frugal can have a big impact on your millionaire journey. Cut out unnecessary expenses, save a portion of your income regularly, and resist the temptation of spending more as you earn more. By practicing frugality, you can accumulate wealth faster and avoid getting trapped in the cycle of increasing expenses. Remember, small savings today can lead to big financial gains tomorrow. Step 8. Create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a valuable tool for effective financial management. Design a budget that allocates your income to savings, investments, and necessary expenses. The key is to adhere to your budget consistently. By tracking your spending and prioritizing your financial goals, you can make informed decisions and ensure your money is working towards building your wealth. Stay disciplined and let your budget guide you towards achieving your millionaire aspirations. Step 9. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt can hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying off debts with high interest rates, such as credit card debt, as soon as possible. This will free up more money to invest and accelerate your path to millionaire status. Step 10. Educate yourself about personal finance. Financial literacy is a critical component of wealth creation. Read books, attend seminars, follow reputable financial websites, and continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Step 11. Learn from successful millionaires. Gain wisdom from the triumphs and strategies of accomplished millionaires. Immerse yourself in their stories through biographies, interviews, and case studies. Analyze their wealth-building techniques, extracting valuable insights and inspiration. Learn from their mistakes and achievements, and apply these lessons to your own journey. By studying their paths to success, you can acquire knowledge and strategies that may expedite your own financial growth. Remember, the experiences of those who have already achieved what you aspire to can serve as invaluable guides on your path to millionaire status. Step 12. Seek professional advice. Engage the services of a qualified financial advisor or planner who can guide you on your journey to becoming a millionaire. They can help you create a personalized financial plan, provide investment recommendations, and offer strategies to optimize your wealth growth. Step 13. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often involves taking calculated risks. Be willing to step out of your comfort zone, seize opportunities, and make informed decisions that have the potential for high returns. However, always remember to assess and manage risks effectively. Step 14. Stay persistent and never give up. The journey to millionaire status is filled with highs and lows, but unwavering persistence is crucial. Maintain firm focus on your goals, glean wisdom from setbacks, and continue forging ahead in the face of challenges. Remember, setbacks are stepping stones to success. By staying resilient and determined and refusing to give up, you can overcome obstacles and achieve your financial aspirations. Stay committed to your path, remain steadfast in your efforts, and let persistence be the driving force that propels you toward your millionaire dreams. Step 15. Give back and practice gratitude. While striving to become a millionaire, don't forget the significance of giving back to your community and expressing gratitude for your blessings. Support others in achieving their goals, whether through mentorship, financial aid, or sharing your expertise. Recognize the power of making a positive impact by contributing to causes that align with your values. Additionally, practice gratitude by acknowledging and appreciating the opportunities and blessings that come your way. By giving back and showing gratitude, you not only enrich the lives of others, but also cultivate a sense of fulfillment and abundance within yourself. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found these 15 secret steps and ideas to become a millionaire in 2023 valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed the content, please leave a comment, like a video, hit the bell to stay updated with our future videos, and consider subscribing to OFW Wealth TV for more financial literacy and general finance tips. Take care, stay motivated, and see you next time.